In today's pathway, you are allowed to travel with your family. It sounds good, right? So, yes, you have to calm down and listen to today's pathway. Yes. And the good thing about it is that this particular country is a very welcoming country. Like they welcome lots of immigrants. And the topmost part of it is that you are going to be exposed to better healthcare. Yes. And you're going to be enjoying better pay, also going to be enjoying job security. The icing on the cake is the fact that this is totally free. So, guys, if these are the things you need information about, just stick with me to the end of this video. All right. And guys, let me tell you the country we're going to be talking about today is no other country than Scotland. Yes, I've talked about Scotland in the past and what the government has been doing, their plans, and the pathway that they are proposing to bring immigrants into the country. But this is not that pathway. This is a different companies that are employing people as we speak. All right. So, guys, don't miss out on this opportunity because you might need it because it's totally free. If you're conversant with this channel, you will know that I always bring informations that make immigration super easy, right? So, guys, that is why when I got this particular info, I rushed, like I ran. I almost hit my head on the floor when I was running to come and bring this information to you guys. One of the reasons why I would tell you to hop on this particular pathway is the fact that although it's the same United Kingdom, but Scotland is a more and better place to be. Number one, apart from the harsh weathers, I'm going to say this because it has harsh weather conditions. It's colder over there compared to the England. Yeah, apart from this, the NHS with Scotland are very reliable and their employability rate is really very high compared to the England. Number two reason why you should be thinking about Scotland is the fact that they pay higher than the England. Yes, you're just hearing it right. They pay higher than England. And number three reason is the fact that they are very welcoming people. The racism people pass through in England, it doesn't apply to in Scotland. So those are the reasons why you should be considering Scotland. And the fourth reason is that it is totally free. So, guys, if you're not thinking about this, I wonder what you'll be thinking about. All right. So, I'm going to be sharing with you some of these companies, how you should apply, and you will need a very standard CV, guys. This one is no jokes because if you're going to be working with the NHS, you need a good cover letter that will sell you in the best light. All right. So, you need a very good CV. That's number one. And a good cover letter. That's number two. All right. And another thing you need to take note of is this: you don't need to apply in urban areas like the towns, the top areas. Those places are going to be competitive. So if I were you, considering this fact, what I will do is I'm going to be looking for areas, rural areas where I know that the competition is less. People don't want to settle in there. Those places are places that will give you sponsorship within a blink of an eye. They don't even need so much to give you a sponsorship, all right? So, guys, I'm going to be taking you through my screen to show you these companies and how you should apply. This cuts across the healthcare and to every other job. One thing about the NHS is the fact that it has so many vacancies at the same time. So it's not just only the healthcare or the nurses or so you can just have a range of vacancies open at the same time. And a particular company here has about 1,700 and something vacancy. If your dreams to relocate into United Kingdom is valid, you need to apply for this immediately. All right, guys, you're just seeing my face for the first time. Do not mind me. Oh. I'm just super excited. My name is Ella Uche. On this channel, we believe in being the best we can be. I'm a relocation and lifestyle content creator. I'm also a project officer. And what I do on this channel is to bring informations that make your career development super easy and make your relocation very affordable. All right, you might want to subscribe if you haven't subscribed at this point. You need to subscribe now so you don't miss out on updates like this. Turn on your notification bell so whenever we drop a new information or update, you are part of it, the first batch. All right, let's go through my screen. So let's see how and what you should do. Okay, if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them with me in the comment section. Let's go. So the first website we're going to be seeing is the myjobscotland.gov.uk. myjobscotland.gov.uk. This particular website has all ranges of job, and I have heard some people talking about, oh, you're only focused on healthcare. So this today now I want to use transportation and drivers as an example. If you keep looking, you will see job vacancies within that sector: mechanic, driver, apprenticeship, casual driver. Guys, the list is endless. If I were you, I would just be applying at least three in a day. Do you understand? So before you know, you'll get one that will give you what you're actually looking for. So guys, remember what I said. Your cover letter has to be good and your CV has to be good, because you need this particular one. The next one we're going to be looking at is called agimcare.com. agimcare.com, and this is mainly for care, just like the name implies. It ranges from the care assistant to the nursing assistant, registered nurses, healthcare, anything that has to do with care. Those are the things that they are involved in, even the living care jobs. All right, and these people give sponsorship very, very well. So if you are within the healthcare sector, just apply immediately. Don't lose guard on this. Look at some jobs that were just posted yesterday and 2 days back. So these are things you need to look into and apply immediately. I don't want to hear I've applied 100 times. So the final one is findajob.dwp.gov.uk. Can you see the number of jobs with visa sponsorship? 1,300 plus. Okay, and again, I am going into the transportation sector. I've seen some people talking about it. I don't pay attention to other people like drivers and stuff. So guys, come here, explore this website and apply immediately. I took an example for admin jobs because we have some admin people here that are always asking for jobs too. All right, and right here under the admin sector, you have different jobs like the personal assistant, executive. Guys, I came to this website and I was happy that I actually have something like that. All right, so guys, this is about 26 jobs under the admin role that have visa sponsorship. Can you see them? If you keep going down, it will keep bringing more jobs. And some of them were posted right in this April. Okay. So guys, don't miss out on this particular opportunity to land yourself in Scotland. At this point, please like this video. You owe me that. Because why not if not? Like this video and share to your friends and they'll be grateful. So at this point, after watching this video, I believe you should be able to apply yourself. You don't need anybody's help. All you need is a good cover letter, all right, and a CV, because some companies demand for CVs. But direct NHS, you might not need the CV. So it just depends agency you're going to be working with. All right. So guys, if you have any question, leave them with me in the comment section. Let's trash it together. If you're having problem with applying for this, let me know also in the comment section. And guys, you might want to follow me on my TikTok. This is where we drop daily nuggets that can help your career development and stuff. So that's my TikTok account. And guys, don't forget that I influence for brands. So if you want to reach out to me, just send me an email at ellauchegroup@gmail.com. All right. On this very note, we have come to the end of this video. Don't forget to please like and share this video to your friends and family, because so many people are in their need of things like this. They just need a spark of information and they'll be good to go. All right, so share this information to your friends and family and they'll be grateful you're in their life. Okay guys, do not forget to be the best you can be. That's what you owe the world. All right, and I'll see you on my next video, same time, Saturday, 7 p.m. Bye.